Hello, we are here for one more lesson of this 4MCAD version 16 training course, and the topic for today will be about line types. So this software 4MCAD provides simple and complex line types. A simple line type consists of a repeating pattern of dots, dashes, blank spaces. On the other way, a complex line type can contain embedded shapes and text entities along with dots, with the dashes and the spaces. We are going to see in this lesson about how to create a simple line type, but we will not see how to create a complex line type because it takes too much time. And for the ones of you that are interested in knowing how to create these complex line types, I submit you for the training course for the theoretical side or to ask us directly for help, okay? So, what are line types? As you may know, we have these white boxes here. We've seen about layers, you know already about the colors, and this one is about line types. In here you choose one line type, and what is shown here is what it is done, okay? So we have a lot of line types, for example the continuous, and if I create one entity now, so it will be continuous, okay? I can load other line types. So if I go here, add line types, I have a list of line types and I can say I want to load, I don't care at this moment which one, so load it, just do the OK, and now you have it also on the list. So if it is shown, then when you draw, it is used to create entities with this line type. So this is the idea of current line type. We have another way to see this. If we go to Format, Explore Drawing, you know already this dialog box. So line types, and we have a list of the ones which are loaded, and the one on a similar way as the layers, the one that has this symbol is the current one, and being the current, it's the one that is used, okay? Loading, we can do it through here also, or through this dialog box here heading the line types, okay? This is very easy to use, so it's not too complex. Now the idea is to create or to name other line types, your own patterns, okay? So this is to tell you that in addition to the predefined line types you have on the program, you can create new ones, and these new ones can be both complex or simple. So as I said when we start, let me show how to create a simple one. So we go again to this Explore Drawing, choose line types, and on this list right click with your mouse, new line type, and okay, in here we see that the line type file is this one. So whatever changes I do in these line types or creating new ones, it will be inside this file. So I'll make a new one. I will give it a name. So for example, let me call it CADsoft. Okay, take this out. The line type file it is. I can create a description. So example line type, and the definition. And the definition is like this. It's a set of numbers, And if you create, if you put a positive number, it will create a line with the unit you are specifying. Then you separate this by a comma, and if you say a negative number, for example -4, this is a space, okay, a blank space. Again, a comma, and if you put 0, it's a dot, okay. So I'll create something like, for example, to be different, and a dot again, and a line, okay, something like this, okay. And with this, it's the pattern that will be repeated, okay. So if I see now CADsoft, you see example line type. So I can upload this, and I have it also in my list. And now I can use it, so CADsoft, and just draw something with it, okay. This is very easy to create a line type. In this window, you understand that as other things, we can manage also the line types, and managing is making current, delete, or whatever it is, okay. And besides this, we can edit the line types, and edit is to change what we've done, okay. The simplest way is to go to the file that I have already, the folder open. It's the iCAD file, and you can open it with a notepad or some text editor, it doesn't matter. And inside you have this definition, okay. And the definition you've done, it is here. So if I change something and save it again, I will change the definition inside the drawing area for the new lines, okay. So this is very easy, and I think this allows you to create a lot of new things for your definitions inside the program.